This is 20 Abigail Lane on the west side of Montecito in formerly Eucalyptus Hill neighborhood. This is coming in from the entry, fireplace. To our right, we've got a view out to the ocean. We'll come back to that. Dining room. Yard space is quite nice. It's on about 1/3 of an acre. It's set up from the street. Looking back from the dining room into the living room, and there's your views. Heading into the kitchen, little eating area, bay window over the kitchen sink. As we meander through the kitchen, there's the electric cooktop and the stove. On the left, right now, is sliding doors where the laundry is located. Generous deck in the backyard. And this is a bedroom formerly, but is recorded in the county as a den. So that's why it says 2 bedrooms, 2 bath. Here's the first full bath. And then heading into the front bedroom with views out to the ocean. This home is currently rented. It's an estate sale, and they would expect to sell it quickly. This is the master. The master does have an ensuite bath, closets and built-ins. Another closet, ensuite bath. Looking back at the master bedroom. And then heading outside to the side yard. Which really completes the 1/3 of an acre. And that is a 2-car garage.